Okay, so properties of squares. So a square, again, is going to be just another parallelogram as well, so all those properties are going to come along with our square. The definition is going to be a quadrilateral with 4 congruent sides. And, this is the important part, this and 4 congruent angles. And these are all right angles. They're going to be 90 degrees. So our square is kind of a mix of a rhombus and a rectangle. It's got those 4 sides congruent like a rhombus. And then it's got 4 right angles, which goes along with our rectangle. Okay, and since it has all of its sides and all of its angles the same, we call it a regular polygon. All the sides and all the angles are the same. So all we have for today is just a couple examples using these properties for our square. And the first one here says find the value of b. What I'm talking about here is this value of b. So the measure of angle B, since it's a square, is going to be 90 degrees, which means that these two angles together are going to equal 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is going to equal 67 plus B, which I should be able to solve here to get 23 degrees equal to B. Okay, so all the angles are right angles. Other things I know about the square are all of these are going to be the same, so I should be able to solve for any side lengths if I was asked to do that as well. The second part has to do with using some coordinate geometry. So this says that given the square ABCD, show that all the side lengths are congruent. So this means I need to use that distance formula. Okay, so the distance formula is going to be x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1. Sorry about the bell. I want to use these 2 points here, so I need to find the distance of, not BD, of BC and of CD. Now remember, I want to call these points x1 and y1, x2 and y2. And I want to fill them in. 2 minus negative 3 squared plus 7 minus 5 squared. This is going to give me 5 squared plus 2 squared, which will be 25 plus 4, square root of 29, and this is your exact answer. You can solve for an approximate value as well. That's going to give you the exact answer. CD. Since I already have this one, C as x1, x2, I'm going to use x1 and y1 for D, which gives me 2 minus 4 squared, 7 minus 2 squared, negative 2 squared, plus 5 squared. Again, I get 4 plus 25, which means that these are going to be the same, and that proves that all the sides are congruent.